Good morning and welcome to the Forex Hobbyist. Today is Friday, February the 6th, and I did a little bit of trading yesterday and I said I would do some more videos, but I didn't. Anyway, we'll do that in the future. So what we have here this morning, I have two trades on the Australian and one trade open on the New Zealand, which has been here for quite some time now. But anyway, let's pull up our little check sheet here and fill it in. So we're going to be trading. We're up to $11,000 now in our account, which is very nice. So we can trade the maximum amount here that we're ever going to trade, which is 100,000 units. And so our existing quantities for the AUD, we have two. We have 45,003 and comma 90,000. And on the New Zealand, we have one lot open for 100,000, and the last open price on the Australian, oops, we need to move over here a little bit, was 0.70555, and the current price is 0.69877. Coming down here to the New Zealand, the last open price was 0.57432, and the current price is quite a long way from there, 59947. Our drawdown margin is 172. It's quite okay, and we'll submit that. So it's telling us here we can trade the New Zealand Australian, telling me that I can trade the New Zealand Australian because there's three trades open. My plan says a maximum of 4 at any one time, so we can open one more. And it's telling us we can open it at 100,005. And remember that 5 is for Friday to give us a difference. So let's go and do that right now. We're going to sell this one here. Pretty straightforward morning, really. And we're going to do 100,005. And we're going to change this to 10 pips. Whoops. 10. We're looking for $100 a day, so that only needs to be 5 pips. 100. Make sure everything's correct. That's a different number to this number. And take profit as 5 to give us $100. I'll do 0.1. Sometimes it just does it underneath if it doesn't catch it when it closes on time. So there we go. Click OK. Now you notice the take profit is right in the middle here between the two because they're both around $100,000, so it's going to take 5 pips. And if it does come down here, it'll close out both of those. That would be a wonderful thing, but it's pretty far away. On the other hand, if this one comes up here, we can get into profit. So one way or the other, we should make out okay today. If we look at our finance here, we've slowly been making progress since our loss last week. We've managing to claw our way back up. Yesterday I took a couple of trades during the day because the drawdown on the New Zealand was more than 50 points and it was kept moving. So I'm like, all right, so long as we're within our guidelines, will do that. So like I say, our account is back up to 11,000 now. Would have been like 13,000. Okay, and one other thing, just to finish off Friday with, if we look at if I look at my spreadsheet here, I already added the trades from yesterday, but I use this spreadsheet just as a, I don't know, guide to see how things are going. It has the opening price up the top here. The next thing is the finance charges overnight. Because I'm carrying a loss each day, pretty much, it's rare that I don't. I don't know why we had quite a bit here yesterday, but it doesn't matter. It's never very much. If you notice, it was $23 for the week so far, so that's not bad. Down here in the blue is the Australian. We made $316.80 for them, average $63 a day so far. Actually, if you made this a 4 over here, because it's only 4 days, it's $79. So we'll leave it at 5. Down here is the New Zealand. It's done about half of what the Australian did, 169. Going down further, we've got a total for the week of 462, an average of $95 a day. Again, if we make this 4 days, which it is, there you can see we've made over what I'm aiming for, $115 a week. And as you can see, that's pretty much, well, it didn't quite cover this finance costs, but, well, it did actually, because this would have only needed to be $400 for $100 a day. So yeah, I'm well over covering finance costs. I'll put that back to 5. So whatever we get today should top us over the $100 every day, $500 for the week. Don't know, it might be a tall ask. Have to get $50 basically. I should do that. All right, so there's my trading sheet, if you like. I fill it in every day. It's a trading log, I guess, for this year so far. It's quite helpful. So there we have it for today. I'm not going to say that. We'll see how we go today. It's looking pretty good. I think one of these could move. This one's got to move further, obviously, because it's already in drawdown, but it doesn't have to go far above to get our $100. And this one here, 10 pips, it's probably around here somewhere. So, all right, thanks for watching.